And tonight, the panel is reviewing witness testimony in the disciplinary hearing against the director of the state's Center on Actual Innocence. Chris Mumma is accused of violating rules of professional conduct in the case of Joseph Sledge, a man who served nearly 40 years for murder that he did not commit. WNCN's Megan Newland has the latest.
She's known for helping those wrongly accused, but now attorney Chris Mumma is accused of wrongdoing. The director of the North Carolina Center on Actual Innocence is accused of violating rules of professional conduct for attorneys. At a hearing with Mumma's conduct in question, some of the men she's helped free offered their support.
Chris is an awesome young lady. She's a lady of integrity.
It's the least that we could do to be here today and throughout this hearing to show our support for her and the work that she does.
The complaint brought by the North Carolina State Bar says the incident in question happened while Mumma was working the case of Joseph Sledge, who was ultimately freed after being wrongly imprisoned for nearly 40 years for a double murder. Mumma's accused of taking a water bottle and having it tested for DNA without permission.
Out of all of the years that Sledge was in prison wrongfully, Chris Mumma is the only one being held in any kind of way responsible.
Dwayne Dale and Greg Taylor, both of whom were exonerated with Mumma's help, say they believe the attorney is being targeted because of her work.
People would like to see her work cease.
No ruling will ever stop Chris Mumma from doing this work. Chris Mumma is a force of nature, and I thank God for her. And if justice does not come out in this hearing this week, it will eventually, I know.
Maggie Newland, WNCN News Now.
Today's hearings wrapped up about an hour ago. If Mumma is found to have violated the rules, she could be disbarred. The hearings pick back up at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Ahead